Asante Kotoko.
Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
For me, it was very easy to see that he was not the right back. The first week we came, we saw he has pace and he has a lot of coverage capacity. And if he plays the ball easy, he can be very good. And so we changed him right away. There's nothing more to it than that. He is not the right back. He's a midfielder. Yeah. No, it's, in the coverage, it's not too much difference, but he plays with a lot of good players at training, so he gets a lot of good sparring. So he gets better very quickly. And today you saw also.